Good morning from Nashua, Iowa. We're gonna try this new spot below a waterfall and see what we get. We see the buffalo fish swimming all around in here. We'll see what happens. Good day, mates. There we go, first fish of the morning. Dancing all around. Again, Margaret. Supposed to keep it clean. There we go. And there he goes on the release. We'll see you later. We'll catch you again in about a half hour. All right? Good day, mates. All right. We hooked into a big one. Let's see how big this one is. He's starting to surface. Yeah, it's staying down pretty low. So you ain't got a catfish. Yeah, play him, man.
He's a lot bigger than the last one. That looks like a smallmouth buffalo. That's a smallmouth.
Bring him in. Oh, wow, you got about the back of the fin there, huh? Oh, that's a pretty one.
They are beautiful.
That's a pretty one. There we go. We got a little 10-inch channel baby cat. Yeah, pretty little thing. Shame you aren't bigger. Yep, go out and get some. Channel cat. All right, here we go. Beautiful place we're fishing now. Let's see what we get today. Okay, this fish took me by surprise. Ran across two lines. We had to cut out two lines, and we finally got it in. Yeah, some golden carp goodness. Yes, sir. Go out and get some. Okay, 26 inches of golden goddess carp. Yeah, lovely lady. Please, people, when you can, catch and release. Oh, thank you, carp gods, for the lovely offering today. And people, when you can, please catch and release just like so. She can swim off to her little home and take care of her babies now.